In this video I will show you how to delete likes on Facebook. We start on our Facebook main homepage, and to delete likes on Facebook, what we have to do first is to go to the top of this main homepage, and among all the options that appear here, we must go to the left where these three horizontal lines are displayed, and we press on them to open this menu. Now that this menu is open, the next step is to scroll down until we see the section Settings and Privacy, and on its right we're going to click on this arrow to display the menu. Now, among all the options that appear below, we have to go to the first one, Settings, and we press on it. Now that we're automatically redirected to the Settings and Privacy page, we have to scroll down, and we keep scrolling down more and more until we arrive to this section, Your Activity and Permissions, and here we enter in the first option labeled Activity Log. Now, after that, in this page, we have to go to the first section labeled Your Facebook Activity. We click on this arrow to display it, and now among all the options, we have to go to the first one, Comments and Reactions, and we click on this button, Manage Comments and Reactions. Now after that here, we have to go to the button on the top left, and we click on the Filters button. Now in this panel that appears at the bottom, we click where it says Categories, and after that in this menu, we select Likes and Reactions. Now we're going to select the messages in which we want to delete the likes, and at the bottom we click on Remove, and now we click on Remove again, and that's everything.